Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pluralsight, access tech training courses step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type pluralsight.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Pluralsight homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the sign in button. Click the sign in button to open the login page. If you are on a phone, tap the menu icon first, then tap Sign In. On the login screen, choose the method you want to use to sign in. Select email if you created your Pluralsight account with an email address. Click inside the email field and type your email address carefully. Click inside the password field and type your password. Double-check that caps lock is off to avoid password mistakes. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. If you use Google, click Continue with Google and select your Google account. If you use Microsoft, click Continue with Microsoft and complete the Microsoft sign-in. If your company uses SSO, choose the SSO option and enter your work email. Follow the prompts to approve any verification steps your organization requires. If you see a Verify It's You message, complete the code or authenticator request. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the reset request. Open your email inbox and find the password reset email from Pluralsight. Click the reset link, create a new password, and return to the sign-in page. After you log in, confirm you are on the Pluralsight dashboard or home screen. Use the search bar to type the course name or a skill like Python or AWS. Press Enter or tap Search to view results. Click a course title to open the course page. Click Start Course to begin watching the training content. If prompted to choose a plan, select a subscription or start a trial to continue. Make sure you are logged in by checking your profile icon in the top right corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.